Hello, students. Welcome to Composition 1 on 8-week online. I'm your professor, Michelle Yarbrough, and I wanted to give you a brief overview of the course. I'm going to try to make this as I'm not going to talk about the content of the course. I'm just showing you where to find things. So, if you read the announcement, I am giving you step-by-step instructions on how to get started in the course right here. But also, um, every Monday, I will come in and I will tell you what's due and when it's due. Okay? And I will also tell you how many points each of these, the week's assignments are worth. Notice we have 1,000 points in this course. This week is worth 140 points. Okay? That's not nothing, right? So make sure that and again, most of these are very time sensitive. They're process grades. So it's not something that you can say, oh, I just didn't have time to complete my assignments. Can I have an extension on these process grades? That's not going to be a possibility. Especially this first assignment. So first thing I tell you is just click this Start Here button, okay? Within this folder, you will find the meeting rooms for Zoom live links. So this is something you can come back to whenever you have individual meetings with me. I might occasionally have a group meeting. I know that with an full online course, we don't have a specific time where we're supposed to meet. But if I find that a lot of students have too many questions and they're all asking the same questions, I might schedule an optional meeting. Okay, these individual conferences with me, the first one is optional, and that is for week 2. But the next 2, because you will have 3 during the course, will not be optional. Okay, so first thing you need to do is go to the agenda and syllabus. I'm not going to go over the syllabus. It's a typical syllabus. It tells you all the details of the course. This right here, this document, the tentative semester agenda, is probably the most important document to keep up with the pace of the course. Okay? It is imperative that you actually you can make a copy of it. Of course, in making a copy of it, I might change things. I will always tell you if I change it. For the most part, this is what it is going to be. I've done this course numerous times at this point, so I kind of have a good feel for when things need to be due and when you should turn them in. Now, one of the questions I've already had via email is, when are things due? Okay, this box right up here is telling you exactly when these things are due. So things in this column, these are discussion boards, okay? So the discussion board, this one right here is just due by Wednesday at midnight, okay? Or at 11:59 p.m., okay? I would like for you, let me go ahead and space that down. I would like for you to turn in your discussion post for PackBack each week by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. For this reason, a lot of students will be like, oh, I'm just going to wait till the weekend, because some of you have full-time jobs. Some of you are just super busy. You're a dual credit high school student and you have a ton of things going on during the week. I get that. But still, if you don't have your initial post by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m., and no one's turning in anything until Sunday, you really can't have a good discussion. So I kind of want you to have the PackBack discussion by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. and then response to peers by Sunday. And so that's listed here. So all assignments due Sunday, online Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Okay? So all your major assignments, your essays, your rhetorical preces for this first portion are going to be due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. at the end of this week. So this week starts on August 15th. Good gosh, tomorrow. Okay. I will send out an announcement, and also your pack back discussion will be live and there will be a prompt in pack back each week on Monday. Okay. Also, you will have it would be the Sunday of the week of 8/15, which I can't even think right now. I can't even count. It would be the 22nd, I believe. Right? Yes. So, the 22nd or the 21st, I don't have my calendar right in front of me, would be when these things are due. Okay? All right, this right here is, and this kind of gives you an idea of the activities or what you need to be reading in the course to help you complete these assignments right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you in order to keep this short and savvy. Let's go ahead and go to assignments. This is where the majority of the course will be found. This document right here is also probably number 2 on to the agenda that will give you an idea of all the major assignments and what you'll be turning in. I have all the outlines, all the working thesis documents. I have links to help you with the pack back discussion board, individual conferences with me. I have instructions here. And then also the conferences with me, I actually have the documents where you can go and sign up on this one Google Doc. Okay, going back to the course. So Module 1 is the very first module of the class, right? You just saw that on the Composition 1 overview. Week 1, starting tomorrow, is right here. Okay, so you are going, again, I've got that same agenda. I put things in numerous places because I tend to have students say, oh, I don't know where to find that. Well, that's why. So you can look in different, so you might see, wow, I've already seen that document. I've already read that document, and it kind of might be irritating to you. I'm sorry for that. But it's just so that I make sure students see it. Okay, so this introduction discussion board, this is due Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. Okay, this is just your initial post telling me who you are. It's imperative that you turn this in by Thursday morning because I will give you a 0 and I will not be able to actually give you a grade. I'm not give you a grade, or I won't be able to mark you as attending the class, and that could affect your financial aid. So it's extremely important that you do turn this assignment in by Thursday. Now, there's a lot of questions that talks about success. The main thing I want out of this introduction is for you to tell me who you are, where do you go to school, if you're a dual credit student, what high school do you go to, if you're out of school or you're just starting back in the traditional fashion to TCC, what is your career path? What do you plan to get out of college, basically? And what do you think success is? So I'm just trying to get a feel for who you are as a person. Okay, so don't overthink it. I'm not going to be checking grammar, spelling. This isn't going to be like a major, it is a process grade. Okay, if you have a 200 or 400 word post, and you don't have to answer all of these questions, these are just giving you starters. Okay? So don't stress. All right, the Zoom conference number 1, this is extremely helpful as well. I see that already 2 students have signed up for it. Right here, thank you, Carson and Macy. I have the evening of August 24th, which is Wednesday, or the afternoon of August 25th, which is Thursday. Okay, these are your 2 options to meet with me. If none of these times work for you, you are welcome to email me and we can schedule a different time. But again, we'll be meeting on Zoom. This is the Zoom link right here. I didn't show you, but there is a YouTube video, if you're totally unfamiliar with Zoom, that you can watch that will help you learn how to use Zoom. Okay. But this is not, this is an optional conference with me, but look at it like office hours, getting a chance to ask questions you have about the course. Also, we will be going over your rhetorical preces #1. So, again, like if you're like, what? Why is my grade what it is? Well, this is a great time to talk to me about that because I am an extremely one-on-one teacher. So, the full online format is a struggle for me because I don't get any FaceTime with you. So, I want to be able to know who you are, put a face with the name, etc., etc. Okay. All right, so I'm going over my time. But here's the Packback discussion board, instructions and questions. I also have a Google Doc right here that basically tells you all of the questions, like you might, that talk about, like goes overviews what Packback is. It's also in your syllabus. And then also there's some helpful YouTube videos, which I will also link to the announcement that will have this video in it. And also kind of gives you a how-to. And then I also have all the questions. There's 5 different Packback discussion boards that you will do throughout the 8 weeks. I have those listed here. Okay. All right. This is not going to be live until tomorrow morning. So you cannot complete this today. Focus on getting this one assignment done. All right. If you're chomping at the bit to get done with the class for the week today, pretty much this is what you could do right now. Okay. Well, you could also go over this article, which is the rhetorical preces #1. This will not be due until Sunday. Okay. And these are just, this is like background information to kind of help you understand the author more. This right here is another presentation talking about the article. And then this is textbook information to help you understand what summary is. And this tells you a little bit more about rhetorical preces and what they are and why we're doing them. Okay? Y'all chose, you chose to take an online 8-week rapid course. So just hold your horses, guys. You're going to be fine. I'm here to advocate for you and work with you. But you do have to, before you email me, make sure that you look through all of the content of the course. Okay? Especially for that week. If you have not tried to read through all the material before emailing me or watch the videos, it makes it really difficult as an online instructor to email and explain everything that I've already thoroughly gone through in detail explained in different documents in the course. Expect a lot of reading, expect a lot of writing, and I look forward to working with you this semester. Okay, bye.